Hello there. Here I'm drilling out the bore to install this steel bushing in here. It's for the drive line on the bush hog. The reason I have to make it bigger is they no longer make the bushing that has the 5/8 bore. This is an original bushing with a 5/8. Of course, I believe it's a 1/2 inch inner diameter with a 5/8 outer diameter, which is the bore size of this. But they no longer make this bushing with the 5/8 outer diameter. They only make a 3/4 inch outer diameter. Of course, the inner diameter is the same. So the one on the flange was different from the one on the yoke. So I've got to drill this out. The only way to improvise. So let's see if that works. This is a Cobalt 3/4 inch bit. I just got it close to size with 11/16 black oxide bit, which is not a all metal drill bit, but it worked just fine for one cut. But this one is Cobalt. So here we go. Just spray it down with some lube. Get it lubed up here. Get the RPM nice and slow. Let's see how it goes. I hope this doesn't fit in here loose, but this is the only option I have. I could get a machine shop to do this, a smaller, just a little bit below 3/4 to get an interference fit, but that's going to be a lot of hassle, I think, on something like this. Just not worth the hassle. So here we go. I could always tack weld or maybe knurl it or something on the inside to make it tight. I'm not sure. We're going to just see how it goes here. Not a high-tech piece of equipment, but we'll see. Got an ancient drill press. Got some belt slippage. Okay, I believe I got the problem sorted out with the belts. Had the long belt here. It should have been on the other. See, I had the wrong belt. I had the belts. One's long and one's short. And this idler one is on a lever for tensioning. They were, the long belt was on between these two. I switched them around. The short one's here now, and now it's like brand new. Lots of power, no slippage. So here we go. Close that. Cut the rest of this hole here. Geez, you know, I'm wondering, I bet you this freaking thing's gonna be loose. But if it is, I'll have to figure out a way to make it tight. Okay, here we go. I stepped up the RPM just 1 to number 2. Number 2 is 280 RPM. Go. Just see if our bushing's going to be loose or tight or what now. Let's see what it's going to be. Okay, so that's what I'm dreading. It's going to drop right through probably. And yeah, it does. It's a little bit tight there. Oh, what the hell? Seems a little snug. We'll figure something out.